Oh, for fuck's sake. Fuck's sake.
Shots off on a quick slide.
Get in.
This is a smart play.
And to the Lions have it. The waiting for an official sign, and now it's given to Detroit. It looked like Darius Slay stripped the football away from Ryan Matthews.
Talked about Darius Slay missing the tackle over the field, 3rd and 2.
After reviewing the play, the ruling on the field stands. Fumble on the
I think it was the right call, but I don't think there was enough that you could say conclusively that you would turn it the other way. The call on the field is the standard that you're with.
But
Well, he's airing this one out down the field and trapped it, and it's intercepted by Darius Slay. Slay caused the fumble, and now he forces the first interception in the career of Carson Wentz.
it's our first fucking loss. Hi guys, welcome back to FC AK2 Footballs Combined. And the Philly Eagles have lost. We're 3-1, still a winning record, which is fucking good. That first quarter, just that fucked us. I think the first quarter went 14-0 up, went 14-7, 21-7 in the first quarter, or first half, whatever. Either or, we were getting fucked in the arse, basically, in the first half. Second half, we did a lot better. They didn't score in the second half until, 3 minutes before the end of the game? 2.5 minutes? I can't remember. It all kind of comes down to a fumble. It happens, but still sucks. All I'm seeing now on Twitter is fuck yourself, Ryan Matthews, fuck yourself, Ryan Matthews, fuck yourself, Ryan Matthews. Oh, yeah, fuck yourself, Ryan Matthews, fuck yourself. It's not his fault, man. Like, you know what I mean? The ball gets knocked out of his hand. Like, what's he going to do about it? It hits, the bloke's helmet hits the fucking ball, you know what I mean? Slay, who fucking intercepted. We'll get back to that in a minute. Slay, just helmet to the ball, it's going to fucking come out. Could he have held it tighter? Probably. But that fumble was it out of bounds? We don't know. We couldn't get a decent enough camera angle on it. The review said no. Fuck it. Fuck's sake. Oh well. But the same guy that forced the fumble wins the game for the Lions by intercepting a fucking, don't know why, but he decided Wentz wanted to throw it as far and as deep as he possibly could. 1st and 10 with 1.5 minutes to go. We've got 1.5 minutes. Run the fucking ball. Sproulsy's been on fire. Smallwood hasn't really fucking been in the game. Use him. Why throw it on the first fucking attempt? 1.5 minutes. Like, if a run comes down and we lose a yard or 2 or 3 or 4, it's taken a couple of seconds off the clock. if it comes to it and it's fucking 3rd and 15, 3rd and 20, like 3rd and 35, which it probably would have been if we'd have carried on fucking going in the first half, then throw it. Then fucking throw it. But when you're 1st and 10, with a minute and a half to go, yes, we're out of fucking timeouts, but for fuck's sake, run that ball. That's all you needed to do. Run the ball, and the game could still be going on right now while I'm recording this. But no, he wants to throw it. But is that a rookie mistake, or is that Peterson's mistake? Fuck knows. Twitter is literally going mental over Ryan Matthews, but I'm not blaming him. But if you are going to launch that ball on a 1st and 10, my personal opinion, don't fucking do it. But if you are going to do it, throw it to Dorial Green, Beckham, Jordan Matthews. Those are the only 2 fuckers that would have had a better opportunity at catching that ball, not Nelson Aguilar. If pre-season proved anything, is that he cannot catch a fucking cold. Jordan Matthews was hardly used, and when he was used, he caught the ball. Use your head. That's all I'm saying. 3-1. Redskins are just fucking won by the looks of it as well. 16-10 over the Ravens. Makes them go 3-2. Now time. Let's fingers crossed that fucking Cowboys get battered by the Bengals. Big fingers crossed. But we'll see how it goes. Anywho, guys. The fuck is that? My hands don't even want to work in tandem. That was what I was supposed to do. Or that. But fuck it. We'll do that. That's my new thing. See you later.